It's Randy here with the Alleluia plush squeaky toy. Let's open this thing up, take some measurements, and see if it's right for your dog. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's look at this thing. See, I have a little dog. He's about 14 pounds. It says it's for small and medium dogs, but I'm going to go ahead and say this might be better for larger dogs. That's a lot to get your mouth around there if you're a dog. So let me measure this out from end to end. This thing is almost 8 inches long. At the widest part, it is about, including the little spiky guys on here, it's about 3.5 inches around. I want to point out that the rubber torso on this thing, these things are supposedly great for tartar control for dogs. If you're chewing on it, getting the tartar off the teeth. And I wanted to compare this in size to some of his other, Rigatoni's other squeaky toys. He loves squeaky toys. There's Mr. Squeaky Dinosaur right here. And here's one of the traditional lamb chops that you'll see out there. And his little squeaky mouse. This one's a little bit bigger. Still got the squeaker in it. That's the important part. You can totally see how this compares in size to a lot of your other squeaky toys that are out these days. Now, if you've got a big dog like a German Shepherd or a larger dog, it would probably be perfect to accommodate them. It's all nice and plush and soft on the top here. Got a little tail you can grab onto, and the feet are soft plush. You've got this rubber end right here for him to grab on. The whole inside midsection is made out of rubber. You've got a section in the middle where you can put some food or treats in there for him. I mean, it appears to be a very durable item. Definitely, it's tough. It's got a squeaker in there. I love it. Whoa, there's a squeaker. I love the squeaker. It's got the section where you can put some food or snacks in the middle in there for them, keep them interested in it. And if they're teething, it's got this great rubber section in the middle here. It's just great probably for larger dogs. But anyway, check it out. This is the Alleluia plush squeaky toy. What? Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Who's a good boy? Look at that guy. You gonna get him? Pretty neat.